come on. Hi there, here's a quick searching tip for Web of Science. My search terms are medical education and problem-based learning. I'm searching by topic. Here are my results, and I want a little bit of a different way of viewing these results. So I'm going to use Analyze Results tool. This tool is going to let me analyze results by author, or if I want to look at which journals have published the most within this field. And I'm going to limit to authors and the top 10 results. Here are my results. Van der Blueveen at the top. And why don't I go ahead and look at the top 3. View records. There we go.